Stepping through English. Unpack, step lightly. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, step lightly. It's a common English idiom that's not just about walking. It has a deeper meaning that can be applied to various situations in life. So, let's tread carefully through the nuances of this interesting expression. Step lightly literally means to walk gently or with caution, making sure that you don't make too much noise or cause damage. It's often used when someone is walking over a delicate surface or trying to avoid being hurt. In a figurative sense, step lightly suggests proceeding with caution or tact in delicate situations. It means to be careful about what you say or do, so as not to hurt someone's feelings or cause a conflict. We often use step lightly in everyday language. For example, if someone is dealing with a sensitive issue, you might advise them to step lightly to avoid making the situation worse. The phrase can vary slightly in different English-speaking regions. For instance, some might say, tread lightly, which carries the same meaning. These variations are important to recognize. And that's a wrap on Step Lightly. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in both literal and figurative contexts. Remember, English is full of such expressions, and mastering them can really add color to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and step lightly into your English language adventure.